By the end of this presentation, you'll be able to identify and describe the soft skills that are most important to the healthcare profession. As you recall from Module 1, soft skills are critical to working in any field. And while all of the various soft skills are important, in this video we're going to examine those that are the most critical in healthcare: communication, teamwork, adaptability, empathy, and time management. Communication is an essential part of working in healthcare. Healthcare providers must listen closely to their patient to fully comprehend their concerns. When explaining healthcare diagnoses or health plans, they gotta speak clearly and communicate efficiently with patients, simplifying terms and ensuring the patient understands along the way. This also includes speaking clearly and professionally to colleagues and other medical staff. Teamwork is more than just the ability to work well with others, especially when you consider that patients are considered a part of the team. Teamwork in healthcare requires dependability. Patients gotta be able to depend on their healthcare provider to provide their piece of the patient's healthcare puzzle. Patients and colleagues rely on each healthcare provider to follow through with their commitments and provide a consistent quality of care. In healthcare, change is consistent. Healthcare legal requirements and best practices constantly evolve due to changes in legislation and scientific evidence. Healthcare professionals need to be open to change and ready to quickly adjust their plans. Empathy is arguably the most important soft skill in the healthcare profession. Empathy is the ability to understand the feelings of others. Patients become very vulnerable when under healthcare. Being sensitive to how the patient is feeling helps the healthcare provider comfort and connect with the patient to better manage what could be the hardest period in this person's life. Time management is also a very important skill for healthcare providers to master. At any given time, a healthcare worker can have many different responsibilities to tend to. Being able to prioritize their workload and multitask ensures all patients' needs are met in a timely manner. For a healthcare provider, the combination of these soft skills is especially important due to their close interaction with patients who are often ill, afraid, and vulnerable. Since no healthcare provider works alone, it's important to have soft skills that enable them to work effectively on a team in order to provide their piece of the patient's healthcare. Ultimately, a healthcare provider strives to attain these soft skills so that they can provide the highest quality of care to their patients.